Have you ever wondered why some small manufacturing ideas suddenly turn into million-dollar businesses while others never get noticed? The truth is, the world is changing fast, and people now want products that solve real problems in smarter ways. In this video, we are sharing 10 new manufacturing business ideas to start your business. Number 1. Smart Modular Desk Manufacturing. Adjustable work-from-home desks with cable-free power ports, foldable attachments, and ergonomic design. Manufacture with modular parts, assemble quickly, and sell online with customization options for professionals and students. Number 2. Eco-friendly paper seed packaging. Biodegradable paper packaging embedded with real seeds. After use, customers can plant the packet, manufacture using recycled pulp, natural dyes, and seed infusion machines. High demand in organic and eco-friendly brands. Number 3. Solar-powered backpack manufacturing. Backpacks with built-in flexible solar sheets to charge phones and gadgets. Produce using lightweight fabric, water-resistant coatings, and USB modules. Target travelers, students, delivery boys, and outdoor users. Number 4. 3D printed home decor factory. Create customizable lamps, wall art, vases, and showpieces using 3D printers. Sell personalized designs, rapid prototypes, and on-demand production with low inventory and high margins. Number 5. Gourmet healthy snack bars manufacturing. Produce protein-rich snack bars using nuts, seeds, jaggery, oats, and superfoods. Pack them in eco-friendly wrappers. Sell through gyms, supermarkets, offices, and online subscription boxes. Number 6. Micro Cement Furniture Workshop. Manufacture lightweight cement-based tables, stools, and shelves using molds and fiberglass reinforcement. Trendy, durable, and suitable for modern homes, cafes, and offices. Minimal machinery needed. Number 7. Anti-radiation phone accessories factory. Make phone cases and stickers with radiation-absorbing materials like ferrite and copper mesh. Rising health awareness creates strong demand, easy to manufacture and brand. Number 8. Smart Mini Hydroponic Kit Manufacturing. Build countertop hydroponic kits with LED grow lights, nutrient solution, and automation timers. Perfect for urban homes. Sell assembled kits and monthly plant refills. Number 9. Recycled Plastic Lumber Manufacturing. Convert waste plastic into durable planks used for benches, fencing, flooring, and garden furniture. High government support and long-term demand. Eco-friendly and profitable. And number 10. Pet health supplements production. Manufacture natural dog and cat supplements like joint chews, multivitamin tablets, and gut health powders. Growing global pet industry. Use safe ingredients and attractive packaging. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thank you for watching this video.